Morning folks, and welcome back to the channel. Here we are at the glorious Shark Bay early in the morning. We're going to put the boat in and see what we can get out there, hey? We're going to do a little beach launch this morning. You're here with Dad the Mad Lad and Sam the GOAT goat. We're letting the tyres down. We're going to head down to Shark Bay with the boat and see if we can get in the water. It's looking pretty nice out there today. Let's see if we can go fishing. Okay, hold up before the water.
I might be able to win the end.
Yeah, I'm thinking that too.
I don't want to get stuck.
Whew. No, I know. You're looking all right there, but if the water washes around your tyres too much, get these out now. Yeah. I'll just sit them here for now. We'll take the pin out.
Yeah.
Take the strap off. Yep. I'll be the one getting wet.
The water's pretty warm actually.
Yeah, nice.
The water's not bad.
Good news, good news. Maybe, yeah. Do you want to reverse into it, or you want us to try and get us off here?
Reverse into it. If you walk down with the boat, tell me how soft it gets under your feet.
Yeah, man, because some of these spots, it seems all right. Seems all right. Oh shit. Hang on. Whoa. I reckon we launch here if we launch at all. Come and have a look at it, Sam. We a bit worried about this storm?
I'm gonna sink. I'm gonna get it on. Good tide to take out and then take the sand underneath.
Alright, I guess we just try, okay?
Yeah. A storm.
Yeah, look at above us.
Oh. Yeah. A little bit of rain cover.
Just wait for the wave, then we push, wait for the next wave. I'll just take the clip off.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna get out there.
Yeah.
Go. Are we not on a roller? Are we not on the roller?
Yeah, we are. It's just all the bungee.
Oh, the ockies, the ockies. Making sense now. Okay, let's go.
Right. I'll drive us off.
coming around. You're gonna have to get wet. Jump in, jump in. Jump in, jump in. I don't know how we managed that. I don't know how we managed that without smashing the boat. Welcome back, folks, to this beautiful day on planet Earth. We're out here fishing on Shark Bay with Sam the GOAT goat, and hopefully we'll pull in the big one today. We're out here on Shark Bay trying to catch anything we can today. Snapper, trevally, what else we are? Sharks. Beautiful day here in Shark Bay. Dad the Mad Lad with you. We're fishing here. We've been here for about half an hour. We're not having a whole lot of luck. We might think about moving soon. The weather's a bit sketchy there behind us. We're okay. Bringing the car around. We've got the boat beached up. Yeah, we managed to get the boat back on the beach with the beach wheels. So that was our first attempt at that. And it went pretty well. We did get a fair bit of water in the boat, but everything's sorted out now. Here's Sam with GOAT. Great job, Sam.